Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 moving averages on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to the top left and click on Insert. Go to Indicators and choose Trend and click on Moving Average. Now we have here period, type 20. Method, I will choose Simple. And we have here style. This is for the color. I will keep it on white. And we have here the thickness of your moving average. So I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. Now this is our 20 moving average. So let's add the 50, insert, indicators, trend, moving average. So I will type here 50. The color I will choose, for example, yellow. And the thickness I will keep it like that and click on OK. Now let's add our 200. Click on insert, indicators, trend, moving average. On period, make sure you type 200. For the color, let's choose, for example, red. But for the thickness, I will choose someone thicker. I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. And now this is our moving average 200, as you can see. This one is moving average 50. And this one is the 20, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.